Mr. Pal, Defence Minister has said today there have been 57 ceasefire violations in the past few months. The tally has gone up by 80%. What is the government doing?
The floor of the House, our Defence Minister has categorically said what ceasefire was violated, how many times by the Pakistan army troops. What I feel, on one side, if the Prime Minister of the Pakistan newly elected government, he believes that now he wanted to make a good relations with the India, even
we should also retaliate in the same manner or much more manner, in a much more proportional manner. So the forces which are acting against it, that India will not, it has no soft foreign policy, it has capacity to meet any challenges.
But this whole talk
Pakistan is doing, unless they say what has happened, they are denying even beheading of the soldiers.
Yeah.
They are not giving it, and that is why it was outrage of the country. That we must teach them a lesson so that they won't dare it again this way. Talks can happen only after that, because the Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, had made after 26/11 a very solemn statement in the House, both Houses of Parliament, and that was Pakistan takes credible action against 26/11 perpetrators, will not engage with Pakistan.
But this is something which we have reiterated every time. But we are not at it. We are not taking much actions. Your comments, Mr. Pal, because even, as both the panelists here are saying that we must continue with the dialogue, confrontation is not really an option here. But on one side, when the political establishment in Pakistan, they're themselves saying that these allegations are baseless, how do you actually continue this dialogue process?
This is very something even Government of India has taken a very serious note of yesterday's incident, and Government of India has lodged a strong protest to the lawmakers and to the Pakistan government also. Even Government of India has called to even Deputy High Commissioner, and they have shown engagement. But in diplomacy, on one side, if we wanted to improve relation between India and Pakistan, if in any case, if this type of dialogue or even the relations, in any case, because of such type of incidents, whom
in both the houses,
whom we are going to talk?
This is also
to the says that we don't control the non-state actors. Lakhvi and Hafizullah and all others are fasting after the Kasabs hanging, and our separatist also joined there, Yasin Malik, and goes and sits with them, and we are helpless.
But because of our initiative, so there is a FIR against Hafiz Saeed, you have seen, because we have produced a lot of evidences against Hafiz. Instability in Pakistan for a long time, you have seen.
Pakistan relations, both these countries have been prisoners of history, and with the coming of Nawaz Sharif said that let's start from where I left, 1999, the Lahore Accord and everything. Do you think this positivity, this optimism, are we depending too much on this? Because it looks like that, maybe it's time for us to get.
No, it is very important to know, because Pakistan is our neighbor, so we want good relations with Pakistan. But that's not an. Nawaz Sharif is Prime Minister, and if he's good things, but exactly the army and the ISI does exactly opposite. He can't say that I don't talk to somebody who can control, and that's the issue. And therefore, I see that we have to take a little tougher stand.